Alright, YouTube, we're back here. Picked this up as well. For many that watched my previous videos, you'll see I was doing some traveling this week. Came across this Blaster of Heritage 2016 for 15 bucks at Walmart. Heritage is not one of the sets that I typically build, although I do have some cards from time to time. So I figured we'd crack this open, see what we have in it. I'm not 100% familiar, so if you hear anything I say wrong or see anything that I missed, feel free to leave me a comment. But there are some autographs and some relics in this product. Several types of parallels. I know there's redback parallels, minis, chrome. I think they've got a couple different kinds of variations. I believe the throwback uniform. If I remember, they do something with the team color, and also I think there's some action image parallels as well, or variations. So with that, let's get into this. 7 packs plus 1 extra pack. 9 cards per pack. All right. Let's see here. See what we got. Man, those there are the odds. Don't know if you can read that or not. Okay. I actually had 3 boxes, but there was no way I could get all 3 of those boxes home. I guess the extra pack must just be the same. So let's get ripping. Josh Tomlin, Matt Joyce, Tony Barnett, Hank Conger, Kente Miyata, rookie. There's a nice rookie card, or at least it was in 2016. Not sure if he still is. Luis Cessa, Adam Conley, Giovanni Soto, and Adam Warren. Nice thick feel to the packs. Nice thick feel to the cards. It's not the glossy stock, but more of a stock I'm familiar with from the 80s and early 90s. Although it's a little bit thicker. Tyler Goodell, Vance Worley, Tyler Naquin, rookie performers. This must be a insert of some sort. Whit Merrifield, Chris Tillman, Drew Stubbs, and Jaime Candelario, rookie card. Let's take a quick peek here. See what we've got. 10. Oh, this Kente Maeda. This I guess it might be a high number parallel. I noticed that the number at the bottom. Sorry about that. Is a little different. Ends in an 18. So let's check that out. There's our insert. Alright, so we'll have to come back to this card here. Well, I forgot I opened a pack, but maybe let's see what we got in this one. Saunders, Grilly, Hasselbaker. Now and Then. Ken Penn's Name in Dodgers books. Jared Saltalamacchia, Julio Urias, rookie card, Tim Lincecum, Craig Breslow. go back to our pack here. This is pack number 4. David Ross. Stephen Drew. Nothing too spectacular there. We did get another high number short print, Max Kepler. Alright, let's take a look. Mark Lowe. Colorado Crushers. Arenado and Trevor Story. Hunter Cervenka. It's just the insert there. Alright, let's take a look. Pack number 5. Pack number 6, rather. Jim Barrett, Kevin Floyd, Scott Kazmir, Chris Davis, Marcus Stroman, Jan Bruxton, rookie card, Gene Segura, Hideki Hachiveria, Johnny Giavotella. Okay, Marcus Stroman is a high number short print here. Pack number 7. Matt Bush, Matt Bushman, Matt Perky, Matthew Bowman, Mike Trout. This is pretty interesting, right? So let's look at this. So Matt Bush, Matt Bushman, Matt Perky, I guess, Matthew Bowman. 4 Matts in a row. Mike Trout, award winners. Austin Jackson, James Taylor, Joe Smith, Jake McGee. Alright, so we did get the Mike Trout insert there. It's always good to get a Trout. And pack number 8. Dylan G, Edwin Diaz, Tony Kemp, Howie Kendrick. We have like a chrome card in there, we'll save that. Adam Wainwright, Daniel Castro, Joey Ricard, Ezekiel Carrera, Howie Kendrick, which we saw, and Aaron Blair. No, no real unveil there. So we got the chrome rookie card of Aaron Blair for the Braves. This is numbered out of 999, although it's really hard to see. And it's a high number. Aaron Blair. Okay. Let's take a look back at some of these other ones here. Alright, that appears to be it. Now, I'm not 100% certain that all of the variations, I assume they would have a different code on the back, but maybe not. I believe there was the actions in the throwback. We'll do one quick pass for everybody here. A lot of rookie cards in this box. Couple inserts. As I said before, I don't open too many of these Heritage products, so I'm not an expert by any means. Uraeus is probably not a bad one either. Tyler Naquin, this will go in the PC for my Indians. Alright, let's do a quick recap on the short prints we got here. So we got the Aaron Blair Chrome, Mike Trout, not really a short print, but Mike Trout All-Star Game MVP award winners. Marcus Stroman high number, Max Kepler high number, and probably the card to pull, at least in 2016, was Kente Maeda high number rookie card. Alright, thanks everybody for watching, and I'll try to continue to do some more breaks here. Appreciate it.